Hello, I would like to share with you my experience about guasa. So I attended the workshop conducted by Master Lee, and this guasa class has been very informative for me. I learned how to perform guasa techniques and also how to help other people, and by doing the guasa and also helping them to improve their lifestyle. And so this guasa has been very interesting for me when I heard about it, because it's a traditional Chinese technique which does not involve any form of medication. I am a doctor by profession, but I choose to practice all natural, and this would definitely help me and patients, and also to introduce them to the company.